Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Halloween pop-up card. So you can give this card to your friends, your family, and also your school teachers. So let's get on with the video. So first you want to start off with your orange sheet of paper. Then you just want to fold it in half. Next, you want to draw and measure this rectangle, which is 12.5 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Then you want to go and cut it out with your scissors. Now you want to draw two lines that have a gap in between them, and they are going 3 centimeters downwards. Now you want to cut the lines out. So here I cut the two lines out. Now you just want to open up your card and you want to push in whatever you cut out inwards so that it's facing the inside, and you want to close it back again and press down on what you folded so it stays as a pop-up. So now we're going to be making our pop-up. So I'm going to be using a bat as my pop-up. So I printed out some bats with different sizes, which I will be using in my card. So now you just want to push down your pop-up so it'll be easy to glue. And I picked the biggest bat to put on my pop-up. So I'm just placing it on where I want it to be. And now I'm going to go ahead and glue it. So now I'm going to be adding a moon to my pop-up card, which is going to be right on top of where the bat is. And then after I decide where I want to place the moon, I'm going to go ahead and glue it on. So now I'm going to be using the remaining 2 bats. So this is where I decided to put my other 2 remaining bats, but you can put it wherever you want as well. And now I'm going to go ahead and glue it on.